Welcome to your favorite Decoder series where we look at physics words and tell you how to use them or what they mean. Today we'll be looking at two different but similar phrases that they love to use. The first phrase we're going to look at is the word at rest or starts from rest. So at rest or starts from rest tells us that the object is stationary at the beginning of the motion. So it means that we can make the assumption that the initial velocity is equal to 0 meters per second. The next one is comes to rest or comes to a stop. This tells us that the object is stationary at the end of the motion, and therefore we can say that the final velocity is 0 meters per second.